Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to explore a very important and interesting topic in the field of media and communication, the camera. Whether it's for a photography, filmmaking, news coverage, or even content creation on social media. The camera is a central tool in a media production or media industry. In this session, we will cover what is a camera, types of camera, important elements or parts of the camera, why understanding the camera is important in media studies. What is a camera? A camera is an optical device used to capture images either as still photos or moving videos. It records visual information through the lens and stores it either on film in old cameras or digitally in modern cameras. The word camera comes from Latin word that is camera obscura. It means dark room. Earlier, it was a box with a hole to project an image, but now cameras have become a high-tech tools with advanced features. Now we can discuss another important topic is types of cameras. Let's now discuss the main types of the camera uses today. We have many types of the camera. Basically, we can classify two types of the camera such as digital camera and film cameras. Film cameras has some unique features such as these use photographic film to capture images common before the digital camera, still used by some artists and filmmakers for its aesthetics, very rare. And another one is the digital camera. Digital camera has unique features such as use electronic sensors like CCD or CMOS to capture images, store images digitally on memory cards, easy to view, edit and share. These very important features of the digital camera compared with film cameras. And DSLR, digital single lens reflex. It is one of the important professional camera in digital format of the cameras. It has some unique features compared with traditional camera or old camera. DSLR used by professionals. It is main feature is interchangeable lenses, manual control over the focus, shutter speed, aperture are additional important features of the DSLR cameras. And another one very famous format of the camera in recent period, that is mirrorless camera. It is also similar to the DSLR but without the mirror mechanism. What is the mirror mechanism? Definitely we will discuss in later. Light, it is the main features of the mirrorless camera is very lightweight and compact, popular among vloggers and travel photographers because it is very compact and very small size compared with the DSLR cameras. And another one form of the digital camera is compact or point and shoot cameras. It has some features. It is very small, automatic camera used for casual photography, less manual controls. These are important features of the compact or point and shoot cameras. And another one important and very useful camera in current scenarios, action camera, GoPro. It is good example for this kind of camera. It has some unique features compared with DSLR also. Waterproof, shockproof and portable. These are very unique features of the action camera. Most of the travelers are using these types of the camera used in adventure sports, travel videos. And another one very common camera is smartphone cameras. It is very useful to all kind of the human, mostly common use today. High quality with AI features. Most of the camera has these unique features, multiple lens and instant editing tools. We have many applications for editing, photo editing, video editing, and visual effects softwares available in many cameras, so especially smartphones. Webcams and surveillance cameras are very useful camera in current scenario. It has some unique features compared with other cameras, used for live videos, streaming, or security purpose. Most of the surveillance or webcams are using for security purpose and streaming. Cinema cameras, it is one of the format in camera. Actually, it is a highly proportional camera. These high-end cameras used in filmmaking industry, very expensive and large sensor and cinematic quality. Then another topic is important elements of the camera. We have many elements in the camera, but we have discussed very key elements of the camera, such as lens, aperture, shutter, image sensor, viewfinder, ISO, and storage devices. First, lenses. The most important part of the camera, lens. Focuses light on the sensor or a film. Different lenses for different types of the shots, wide, telephoto, macro, etc. In future, definitely we will discuss in detail the important parts of or elements of the camera. Next important element is aperture, the hole inside the lens that control how much light enter to the camera, affects the brightness and depth of field. It is another important features of the aperture. The main characters of the aperture is affect the depth of field. And another important element is shutter. Shutter, it is one of the important mechanism for allowing the light close to the control exposure time, measured in seconds or fractions of the seconds. Shutter also control the lighting like aperture. And another important parts in the digital camera is image sensor. We have many types of the image sensors. Already I told CMOS and CCD, both are very famous image sensors. Replace the film in the digital cameras, convert light into digital signals. That is main functions of the image sensors. Viewfinder or LCD screen allows you to the frame and preview your shots. That is major functions of the viewfinder or LCD screen. Most of the DSLR cameras have viewfinder, mirrorless cameras have LCD screen. And another one important features of the camera is ISO. That ISO means International Organization for Standardizations. That controls the sensitivity of the sensor to light. That is main functions of the ISO. Higher ISO helps in low light but may add noise. This is the main features or characteristics of the ISO. And last one is the storage, memory card or internal storage where images are saved. And why photography knowledge is important? Why we should study about the photographics, especially media studies students? The importance of the camera knowledge, understanding the camera and its elements is crucial for anyone in the media field, right? Why? It improves your technical control over the image, helps in creating better composition and lighting, enables professional level photography or videography, supports storytelling through visuals, prepares you for a careers in journalism, filmmaking, content creations, and photography. The camera is not just a machine, it is a creative tool that help you tell the stories, capture emotions, and communicate visually. Knowing the types and parts of the camera gives you the power to use it effectively and artistically. The main knowledge of the photography, knowledge of the cameras definitely help to use it effectively and artistic. Thank you for your attention. In our next class, we will explore how to operate a DSLR camera and understand exposure setting in detail. Thank you.